Hi guys, this is Nishant from DAX Week, and I've been posting a lot of videos earlier, but I stopped in between. Probably I got I've got busy in my work schedule and couldn't take out time for the new videos. But now I'm back, and I'll be posting a lot more videos on DAX and upcoming Microsoft updates on new versions, which it does every month. And also I'll also share very cool tricks regarding Power BI, Power Query, Excel, SQL as well. So today I'm going to talk about field parameters. Now, what are field parameters? Parameters basically why they introduced it. So I think they introduced this in this 3-4 months back, wherein they wanted to just I mean they wanted to reduce the dependency on bookmarks because bookmarks used to make the reports very slow. I'm not saying slow for many of them, but when you use a lot of complex and heavy bookmarks, when you have lot many visuals on your page and you use your book 5-6 bookmarks, it kind of the slow is rendered very slow. But what exactly why this was done was generally to reduce the use of bookmarks and also to some extent the switch function. So what is the scenario? Why I'm saying switch? Because let's say we have this country, Canada, France, Germany, Mexico. We have these countries, and then we have these four KPIs: COGS, discount, gross sales, and uh, total profit. The requirement is to create a slicer, uh, and the client or who has given you the requirement wants to select one KPI at a time, and he doesn't want to view all of them together, and he wants to analyze the data. Let's say he wants to view discounts, or he wants to use only see COGS, or he wants to view COGS and gross sales and not everything. You can achieve this using switch function by creating a disconnected table and writing a switch and selected value DAX. That has also been covered in one of my DAX videos. You can have a look at the switch by DAX Freak. So that is covered there. But today we are going to do this by field parameters, right? So let's create a field parameter. What is how do we do that? So go to modeling, and under new parameter you will find this new option as fields. You click, and let's give it a name as KPI fields. Let's say we so don't forget to use the measures and not the direct columns. If you use the direct columns, all the rows will come. So you need to create a measure like simple sum of COGS, sum of discounts, and then drag it to the fields so that it aggregates and give the results to you. So COGS, discounts, gross sales, and profit. Let's click on create. Once we create it, I get this mini slicer for me, and if I click, nothing will happen. See, nothing is changing. Why? Because I need to. So whenever I want to use field parameters, I need to use this field parameters, which is like a table. If you go to the background, this looks like this. So it's an automated table created by Power BI for easy reporting. You can see how it's done. You can change the names here if you want of your KPI fields, but I'm not going to do that. Maybe you can check this out at your end as well, and it can be done. So if you want, you can probably make it sales or whatever. Now let's say I remove this four KPIs, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag these KPI fields here. Now if I click COGS, I'll only see COGS, gross sales profit, because to use this my field parameter should go inside the visual. So that is one big advantage. Now it's very easy. You can see two, you can see three, you can see all together also. Depends, right? Now, one more thing. See, there are four tables now, and these are separate tables. So country, product, discount, and segment. What we can do is we can also create a field using these dimensions. So let's do that. dimension fields. Let's say we take country, let's say we take discount band, product, and segment, and click on create. Another slicer would come up. Now what I'll do is I'll also remove this country from here and put this dimension fields here. See, now it's going, and I'll delete all of these four because this is not required. Only this table will fulfill the requirement of all of these four tables now. Let's say I keep it here, keep this one here, and I drag it like this. Maybe I'll keep it here. So now all the dimensions also are coming as fields. Now let's say I only want to view segment and gross sales. I can do that. I want to view product and profit. I can view that. I want to view two together. Let's say I want to view country, product and profit. I can do that. And also I can use a matrix for this. So let's say I use this, and let's say I drag my KPI fields to values, and I can do that. See, so product, and if I click on country and discount band or country and discount band, I can view that. I can also view segment, product and COGS and profit total both together. So whatever analysis I want, I'm just using two field parameters and I'm doing all the analysis in one single table. That's the most important, I would say a very tricky way of doing the things. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you want, I can share the DAX file with you as well, because this is I'm using just a dummy data which Power BI has given you. So if you want, you can probably comment on the video. If you want the Power BI, I can share the file with you as well. So thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe if you want to view some other content. I'll be posting many videos, but if you have something specific also, I'm ready to do that for you. So have a good day, guys. Thank you.